Greetings, disruptors. Happy Fun Day Monday. I am outside. I already got my walk in and I was getting ready to go inside. And I said, hey, let me talk to my peoples. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Y'all all right? It's Monday. How's the day treating you? Mine's been full. I've had a day full of meetings and making beautiful connections. I got a couple more um, meetings tonight, one scheduled for my West Coast peeps. And then I got an unexpected call and appreciate appreciate the opportunity to be able to be of service. And so definitely want to share out there how life, we were talking about disruptions the other day. Um, and and life is full of disruptions. They can happen suddenly. Not all disruptions are a bad thing. I call them setbacks and setups because some disruptions lead to a setup. If you want to hear more about what I talked about on that, check out day 6's video where my whole face is in the screen because I was on Facebook and I'm on Facebook today, but for some reason it works just fine right now. So whatever that is, I'll keep at it and we'll see what works out. Just want to share when life is lifing and you're going through and the disruption is happening and it feels overwhelming, you may need someone to talk to, and maybe you don't know who, and that person isn't available, or you just need to really get your thoughts out. There's two tools um, that I recommend to help with that. That is journaling, and that is just grab a notebook so that you have a place for those thoughts. If you're a writer, I like to put pen to paper. I was amazed at when my ex or family member had a health situation and I was in caregiver mode. I was amazed at how much I wrote down, that I had everything documented. It was a saving grace. Now we all know, yes, prayer and go to God, but sometimes you need something concrete, like physical in that moment, to help you get those thoughts and conversations with God organized, and to feel like you've poured it out so that you're not just holding on so tight to it on the inside. And hopefully you all can hear me. Got these AirPods in and I know sometimes when the wind blows, it's hard to hear. And the other recommendation on recording is the voice memo app on your phone. You could just start talking, pouring it out, start crying. I done all of it. I got a bunch of them. And you can save them if you want, or delete them after you're done. Right? With with either of them, it could be writing a letter to someone. There's just a number of ways. So if that's what's going on, you're feeling overwhelmed and it's too much, and you may not be ready to share and pour out to someone because you fear bleeding all over them or whatever that could look like. Record on your voice memo app on your phone, or record in a journal. Journal is just a notebook with paper so that you can write, or you can get real pretty and fancy with it, whatever works for you. I have about more than 10 years worth of journals. more than 10 years worth. I haven't been led to release any of them yet because you know what they could become? They could become your next book, your next movie. They can help somebody else. You know, they're your lived experience reference manuals when you need to serve someone else. So they don't have to be thrown away. I know some people say, I don't want anybody else to hear my thoughts. Baby, know that some of this is happening for you, not to you. And it's for you to serve someone else. That's what I'm learning in my experience. Let me tell you, I can go to my reference books when I need to. All right? Well, if you don't know, you didn't catch day 6, let me recap that uh, we also had a special guest join online, very vulnerable and get coached. So coaching conversations every Sunday happen, and so check out coaching conversations. It was very, very vulnerable conversation and nuggets being shared. Absolutely. And then also with disruptions and you're struggling, sometimes you need clear vision. We are bringing the Clear Vision Workshop back. Many of you told me you couldn't make it because it was on Wednesday at 7 p.m., which we all know that's Bible study time. And so we're moving it to Tuesday. It's going to drop. You can get on the waiting list right now so that you don't miss it. We're releasing it. If not tomorrow, it'll be Wednesday. I can't remember what we talked about, but it's going to be August 27th, Tuesday, August 27th at 7 p.m. So clear your calendar because it's lit. It's the Clear Vision Workshop. Who's it for? Anyone that is feeling unfulfilled and feels like they want to get off the societal rat race merry-go-round. So this could be professionals. Y'all know I have an affinity for Christian women. They're struggling with identity. Anyone with who they are and they want to get clear so that you can make your dreams a reality. Uh, Absolutely. In your business, you're feeling stuck. Last workshop, one of my beautiful clients that utilizes the Clear Vision Calculator, she identified over 30 products that she could sell and be of service. So you got to come check it out. So business owners, entrepreneurs, someone else even shared that Clear Vision, the calculator, actually helped them with a financial debt plan, right? We do money generating activities and it could help you pay down the debt. You have a strategy. So mark your calendars, August 27th, that's Tuesday, 7 o'clock p.m. I am hosting the Clear Vision Workshop. And guess what? It is free. It only costs you time. It's a beautiful community. Yeah, so if you've joined before and you want to join again, you're more than welcome also. So tell a friend, tell your mom and them, tell your cousins, your sister and your brother and them, your coworker, your friend, your bestie. Tell them all about it. I've got a testimonial up from James and Tanisha Pope and how well it served them. So you can see that I know it's on Instagram. I believe it's on Facebook too. If you got questions, uh, absolutely. If you got questions, just hit me up. I'm everywhere. All my social media accounts. I respond if you If you talk to me, I talk to you. All right. So I look forward to seeing you in the Clear Vision workshop. And by the way, it is free. It is free 99. All right. All right. I hope you have an amazing evening. Uh, Hopefully you got your movement in for today. I am I'm circling the block. This is my last time because my bladder is calling for some relief. All right. I love you all, and I want you to take good care of yourself. Until tomorrow, I will see you then.